heard the greatest interview yesterday with Mike Watt. Made me want to paint, create. He talked about making double nickels on the dime with his good friend D. Boone. Children, brilliant children. Made me want to write. I read the greatest tribute to Bob Dylan yesterday. All these people picking his greatest songs. 70 songs for his 70th birthday. But they picked all the old ones. Which is a shame in light of the fact that Bob's writing better songs than he ever has. People should listen. Put their ear to the ground. No one should care that Richie Sambora went to rehab. No one but his family. And somebody should say it. Bon Jovi is horribly wrong. Long live D. Boone.